Do you have a design idea? Let's turn those ideas into a reality with Autodesk Inventor. Autodesk Inventor is a powerful mechanical design software for your most ambitious imaginations. Work with a complete set of professional-grade design, documentation, and product simulation tools. Hi, my name is Jomarc. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor and for years an instructor in MechaniWeb, an Autodesk learning partner. In this Autodesk Inventor introductory training, I will get you up to speed by learning the essentials in creating parts and turning those parts into an assembly. Some of the key topics in this course are sketch constraints, part modeling, and assembly creation. Log in or sign up and let's get your first parts and assembly started.